I recently upgraded an old Ring Video Doorbell 2 to a Ring Video Doorbell Pro. So what do I do with the old one? Well, it's easy. We just simply turned it into a camera. So how do you do that? Well, if you look on the back, you've got two connectors here. It says for 8 to 24 volts AC for the doorbell transformer. Don't pay any attention to that. Just get you either Ring or some other solar panel that's 5 volts output. You can either create your own connector like I did, or just wire it direct. And there you go. You've got your brand new Ring outdoor camera that you can place anywhere. No power needed because you're on solar. Thank you. You're welcome. Adios. Thank you for watching this edition of the Home Tips Show. If you've learned something today or enjoyed the show, please consider subscribing to the channel.